welcome to Baker's Choice, and today we are going to show you how to make blueberry almond blondies, which is very delicious. And she's my daughter Sarah, and she's going to help me. She's a junior chef who always loves baking with me, so she's going to help me mix the ingredients and little bit of help to mama. So let's start and see what all we require for the blondies. I'll be sharing the measurements later. However, I have already kept all the measurements ready. So we'll start with the recipe. Okay, so very first we are going to mix all the dry ingredients. So I'm going to take maida. Just give me, Sarah.
This is maida.
So this is around 160 grams of maida, to which I will be adding almond meal, about 40 grams.
Almond meal this.
So this is almond meal. I am putting 40 grams over here.
Means
To this I will be adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
This is baking powder.
So I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder to it. And I'll be giving a mix to it so that our dry ingredients are well incorporated. I also have around dry blueberries, which I have taken about half a cup. You can less, or you can add it more as per your taste and how much do you want. I have taken half a cup of blueberries and I will add it to my dry ingredients, and I will give a mix to it. And I'll keep this aside. I have taken this white chocolate, about 180 grams, and 100 grams of butter, and I will be melting this in the microwave till it is melt and well incorporated. So just give me a minute, I will come back. I'll melt and I will come back. So we have melted this, and now we will just stir it. Sarah, you can stir till it is well incorporated. Okay, stir it. Till she stirs in the other bowl, I will take around 200 grams of Milkmaid, which is half a tin. This is the bigger tin I had used, and I already have 200 grams measured over here. So I will be using half a tin of Milkmaid, which comes to around 200 grams. And to this I will be adding 35 grams of castor sugar, and I will give a mix to it. Okay, let me see if it is mixed properly.
Mixed.
Okay, this is properly mixed. Thank you so much, Sarah.
You're welcome.
Okay. And I'll pour this mixture, this chocolate and butter mixture, to my Milkmaid. And I'll give a nice stir to it. I have this very nice berry blast spread from Apura brand, and I'm going to mix this about 2 tablespoons in my batter. So It has a very lovely and strong taste. Sara loves to eat it the way it is.
Yes.
If you want, you can add it more, but I'm going to. I'll require later to decorate it, so I'll use it later. Okay, and I'm going to give it a mix again. You can see the color as well. It has turned to a bit purplish color and it gives a very nice aroma. To this I will be adding 1/4 cup of milk. Stir it again. This is very rich as it has very spread, plus it has almond meal, and it also has blueberries, dried blueberries in it. So now this is well incorporated. Now to this we will add our dry ingredients.
You need this?
Yes, thank you.
Well,
And a little bit over here. The rest of the ingredients I've added again.
can I start?
So if you can see, this is the consistency of the batter, the blondie. It's already smelling nice. I have this Fab brand berry essence. The sticker is gone, but it is a berry blast. If you want, you can put a little bit. It is very strong, so I'm just putting 1 or 2 drops of berry blast essence to this. And now it is ready to be poured in the lined container. So I have this container already lined with the parchment paper. It's very important that you line it with the parchment paper. And now we have to pour this batter. You want to pour, Sara?
Yeah,
Okay, put it this way.
it's like this. I'm wishing to eat it now.
She's already all excited to eat this way only, but we will wait till I bake it completely. Okay. Now to this, what we can do is we can add a little bit of apura. Sara, you can get a toothpick for me,
Toothpick. Okay.
and we can just pour some dollops here randomly.
Here are the toothpicks.
Just you can remove one for me.
Yes. One toothpick.
Like this. And then with the help of toothpick, I'm just going to give it a swirl. This is ready to be baked. Now I'm going to bake this in the preheated oven. I have preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius. in my OTG, and I'll be baking this for around 20 to 25 minutes till my toothpick is clean at 180 degrees Celsius, both the rods on with fan in the middle rack. Okay, and stay tuned and I'll get back to you with the baked product.
Ta-da! Our blueberry blondies are done and they smell yum. I can't wait to taste them.
You can see the blondie crumbly effect already there on the blondies. Now I'll let it cool completely before cutting, and I'll soon upload the blondie snaps on my page. So stay tuned for the photos. Thank you for watching our video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.